All right, so this is my little lab, my little electronics and tools lab. So I have my soldering table with soldering iron and little army clamps and magnifying glass in case I need to do some small detail. Flux, very important. A few different types of solders, and everything on the table is metal. So even these boxes, so there's no fear of burning anything. A few wires, clamps. This is the workbench. Few parts, so I have some timers, op amps, logic gates. These are my unidentifiables. These are my shift registers and more shift registers. Yes, let's see what they are. Yep, 8-bit shift registers. So I'm going to be playing with some logic very soon. Cabinets, I have my resistors, capacitors, transistors, diodes, whatnot, relays, Raspberry Pi accessories. I have a few Raspberry Pi modules like cameras bought from Radio Shack when they were still in business. A few gyros and sensors. These are ultrasound, motion detection, Arduinos, and a few nuts and bolts, just hardware. A G.I. Joe. Sure. Got my drilling tools and a foot-activated Dremel. This is the computer side, where I have just a monitor, and usually I plug my Raspberry Pi to this, otherwise I'm just connected wirelessly here. Little tool bench I made here, all my screwdrivers and all my tools. And this shelf is also my whiteboard, and I can move the board in different places. Forgive the trash up there. A few books and a bunch of Lego, paint stuff and gardening stuff. And I made this cool little dispenser that I can change by just unclipping this. Boom. Yeah, I'm working on an op amp that I'm going to use on this project. Looks like I just wanted to increase the signal coming from this port. With this little op amp, I can multiply it by 10, so that's pretty good. Built a just a mock to control the motors. It's a DC motor drive with 4 outputs going forward and backward. And yeah, so this morning I'm going to be... Where are my Raspberry Pi that I just got these? $5. This is a Raspberry Pi Zero. So I just need to do a little work on them, just put the pins in together and figure out a way to hook in this Wi-Fi adapter, Wi-Fi dongle. Everything is micro SD, even micro HDMI. So yeah, either I open this bad boy and solder it on directly, or I find a cable that does the conversion. Anyways, this is a little rover that's going to be able to move around the house and have a camera mounted on 2 servos here. It's going to be controlled by Raspberry Pi, which is going to be connected onto the router at home. And I have a buffer layer where I have an application that will be open to the internet and controlling it, and also streaming the images from the camera. So it'll be a little rover that I can control from my phone, from anywhere. Cool. I'll let you know of the updates.